on defense that he becomes really tired as the ball game progresses. And this is where it takes effect on a player when you go to the free throw line, you know. Yung pulso na tinatawag natin. You can't, medyo buenas lang siya.
Sa dami na nagdadasal para sa Gordons, natulungan yung free throw ni Magno Aquino.
Nanggaling sa ibabaw. Halos, no, it did not reach the top because it would have been a violation. Pero that was a lucky shot.
10-point
Moses back in the game. That's offensive foul.
Kitang-kita yung sinalya, Dr. Jane, ni Coach Winyo, si Noli Locsin. At Noli Locsin, hindi yan papayag na ma-atras man lang kahit nakapirasong pwesto. 6-25, another guy who was seated is Johnny Abarrientos. Bibigyan ng tamang hinga ito. At kaya nandyan si Boyd Fernandez sa loob. Sonny Jaworski digging deeper into his bench. Dispatching in Terry Saldana. Isa sa kung si Jaworski ang veterano, ito ang second in command sa patandaan dito sa liga.
Well, kung magpapahinga man si, what a pass.
Ito si Lastimosa. Aatake kay Gayoso. Bagsak si Lastimosa. Or rather, bagsak si Gayoso. And Lastimosa. Will he take 2 free throws? Bibigyan pa ito Dr. Jane ng 2 free throws. Bibigyan sapagkat nasa penalty na.
They're in the penalty, whether it's in material, whether it was in the act of shooting. Wilmer Ong gave up that foul. 10-point lead dito para sa Alaska. 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Ito si Lastimosa at 28 points in game number 2. Maganda ang kanyang mga numero.
8 rebounds and almost 6 assists. I think 6 assists in that ball game. So he really played well.
If I remember right, nung third quarter, Dr. J, nung game number 2, yung explosion ni Lastimosa ang halos nagpabalik sa kupunan ng Alaska. But again, hindi nila nakayanan na ibaliktad ang laban na yun. Kaya they're down 0-2 dito sa seryeng ito.
He's also been struggling with his free throws in the last few games. Now, he missed 2 free throws in that ball game, including some technical free throw shots. Isolation play para kay Locsin.
Locsin boosting, ginamit ang banda. And Noli Locsin, reminiscent of yung move na ginawa niya nung game number 2 where he had 12 points in the second quarter.
Yeah, it was big for his team. They needed that explosion from Noli Locsin.
It's a 9-point lead for Alaska. Time down to 5-42. This is game number 3, second quarter. Sinalya ni Hawkins. Ang tira niya wala. Bagsak. At baka mato-thrown out. Itong si Wilmer Ong. Yes,
he threw him
he's
out.
Thrown out of this ball game for elbowing Bo Hawkins right on the face.
Nag-aala nga si Chua but then he eventually made the call because he saw the elbow thrown and that's thrown out.
Ito, panoorin nyo.
He got the rebound here. He threw an elbow.
At sa mukha tumama. Ang sabi, he was boxing out. And Sonny Jaworski susugurin ngayon. Si Chua, nasa gitna na si Sonny Jaworski.
At saka si Chua, tumakbo. Natakot si Tagona na nagbigay ng
technical. Si Chua, iniwasan ang sigaw o ang galit ni Sonny Jaworski.
Kasi si Sonny talaga medyo mainit kay Chua yan. You know, he's always so scared if Chua is refereeing a ball game of Gordons.
Si Benji Chua nakatayo sa gitna ng court, nag-iisa. At samantala, nagsisimula na pong umulan dito. Hindi humibutas ang bubong ng Gordons, ngunit meron mga fans na nagbabato ng kung ano-ano. Meron pang isang bumato ng bote kay
Kung wala na silang tiwala dito, hindi na dapat nandito yan. I think he made almost, for me, the right call. Pero alanganin siya when he made the call.
Nakita niya yung siko na ibinagsak. But again, eto na po at umuulan na kung ano-anong dumi sa loob ng court natin. And still Chua is nasa gitna ng court, nag-iisa. Magbe-break muna kami sandali sapagkat umuulan ho ng konti dito.
Club Roman Traditional Fit. Club Roman Jeans and Shirts. Club Roman.
Okay, kanina po nakita natin ang pagkaka-thrown out kay Wilmer Ong. Ang reason po doon, yung pagkakasiko niya ay tumama sa muka ni Bong Hawkins. At ayon sa PBA rules, pagka ikaw ay ng elbow, kapag above the shoulders, ibig sabihin pag tinamaan ng muka, kahit na una pa lang yan, automatic na ejected ka. As we see a missed free throw ni Bong Hawkins. Dr. J, meron na...
Kasi here in this slow-mo, that ilang beses kasi tinamaan ni Bong Hawkins sa mukha si Wilmer
Yun ang
Ong.
hindi nila nakita.
And I think he came back. And I really think he should have been thrown out because he came back with that elbow and it was right in the face of Bong. Now, there are a couple of things here. First of all, yung technical foul. then deliberate foul, 2 free throws, plus possessions to Alaska. So it was a big penalty that Gordon took with, Wilmer did not use his head, I mean, he's a player that they need in this ball game. Malaki siya, makakatulong siya. Bakit siya magpapatapon ng ganon, when they need him, no?
Si Butch Maniego nasa tabi ng bench ng Gordon's. Butch, what do you have for us?
Well, Chino, kinausap ni Coach San Jaworski yung mga players niya. Sinabi niya, use your head. Kapag kayo tinitira, kahit sinasaktan kayo, huwag kayong gaganti. Napakahalaga ang bawat isa sa inyo. You have to find a way to stay in the game. Don't get caught up sa paggantihan sa laban sa Alaska. Balik tayo sa inyo, Chino.
Doon mo masusukat, Dr. J, ang tulad ng kakayahan ng isang manlalaro, isang veteranong tulad ni Sonny Jaworski. He's been through a lot. At alam niyo kung ano sasabihin niya sa mga manlalaro, yung tulad ng hindi pagkagati. Alam mo, pagka natamaan ka talaga ng sigo, unang nasa isip mo, kay malamig ang ulo mo, babawi ka.
And that's the worst thing to do eh. They always say yung mga talagang marurunong, tsaka na lang yun, di ba?
Sisimple ka na lang. Alam mo, meron akong isang kilala, PBA grade na nagsasabi, pagka tinira ka, hintayin mo makabalik o lumamig yung laro sa kakagumande. Madaling sabihin yung palagay ko nanonood sa atin. Of course, one of the all-time greats ng PBA, Simon Fernandez. Yan ang mga nagsasabi sa akin. Sa tagal-tagal mo dito, okay, pakitang gaganti ka agad kasi makakaganti ka na somewhere along. Pero wag yung garabal dahil sigurado mapapanood ka.
Maabang ka talaga nun eh. So that's an 11-point lead now for Alaska, 5 minutes and 20. Talaga ito si Ramon, dami talaga tinuturo.
Samantala si JB Gayoso kumana sa labas. Yung guard matchup natin, Dr. J, without an import, nakatuon tayo kay Marlo Aquino, Kevin Holland matchup. Ito ang magandang matchup dahil alam natin na namumuro itong si Holland kapag kasi Aquino yung kanyang kalaban o namamalahibo siya. Bumalik sa ball game. Fernandez nataan sa gilid, hindi siya makahanap ng puwang. Bibigay nila kay Winyo,
Traveling.
losing footing at yon. Nakita ni referee Tangonan ang traveling, ang 8-point lead para sa upunan ng Alaska.
Maganda rin yung at least huminto ka agad yung batuan. That's the worst thing. I saw a couple of coins flying against there in the Alaska bench. Tapos meron rin dito, natamaan pa nga si Maki De Hoya, isang member of Tarake, no? I mean, bakit ka magbabato ng mga coins na ganyan? Maraming mga bata dyan, maraming nanonood na hindi naman dapat masaktan.
Alam mo, maraming nanghihingi ng coins dito sa Pasay. Ayun, bumanat si Gayoso ng isang 3-pointer. And make no mistake about it, mga kaibigan, ang Gordon slowly inching its way back. Down by just 5 points from a high of 11 points. 30-19, Dr. J ang score kanina.
That's their most potent weapon. But this is another poor foul off the ball by Gayoso because they are in the penalty and that will send Lastimosa to the free throw line. It was really off the play, away from the play. Nagkakaroon ng movement. There was a kiskisa ng katawan ni Gayoso at ni Lastimosa. Ay natawagan ng foul si JB.
Si Lastimosa so far has 7 points in this ball game. With the departure, Dr. J, of Jeffrey Carriazo, dati si Jojo Lastimosa, pwede siyang hindi maghahabit ng todo na nandun si Carriazo sa bench, pwede siyang paltan anytime. But
Yes.
this time, mukhang maaga pa lang kailangan niya siya maghahabit.
Yeah, at the same time, napapahinga siya ng mabuti. At the same, malakas rumibang si Jeffrey Carriazo. Meron rin shooting, may depensa rin. So all of those things have affected Alaska a little bit, no? Pero they're still a potent team as they should. They were 5-5. Bigla silang rumimate na 6 na panalo sa semifinals, no? Out of the 8 games that they played.
Yan ang sinasabi natin eh, hindi mo masusukat talaga kung gaano kalaki ang puso ng isang kampiyon until malalagay sila sa bingit ng kamatayan o masandal sila sa pader.
Abarientos, by the way, Gino has come back to replace Boyet Fernandez, no? So he's matched up there against Pido Harencio.
Harencio thinking 3. He will get his 3-point shot, Dr. J.
That is the most